Hi, welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I'm bringing you another easy vegan recipe, and I'm going to be doing an Asian stir fry. The game plan though was to do a Thai basil leaf dish, but unfortunately I don't necessarily know that it hit the mark to qualify as that dish. So we're just gonna call it an Asian stir fry dish because it was still really delicious. So if you're interested in seeing this video, please stay tuned. But before we hop into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Let's hop into it.
So this is what you'll need to do this Asian stir fry. I had set out to do a Thai basil leaf, but the end result wasn't giving it, but it still tastes amazing. I was missing the heat element. For whatever reason, my chili paste was not spicy. But anywho, this is what we're going to use to make our sauce that goes over top of our veggies. So I like to always prepare the sauce so it's already like marinating together, and all the flavors are, getting combined before we actually add it to our vegetables. Next up, we're just going to cut up all of our veggies that we're going to put into our dish today. Now, you don't have to use the vegetables I'm using. This is just what I wanted on this particular day. But I do switch it up and add different things. So whatever you want, just go ahead and cut it all up and get it ready for the pan. So what we're going to do is add a little oil to our pan. We're going to go ahead and add in our vegetables so we can give them a little quick saute. Oh yeah, and don't forget to put your rice or quinoa or whatever you're going to put your stir-fried vegetables over. And make sure that's going right now so everything can finish up all at the same time. After you finish sauteing your veggies, you want to go ahead and add in your fresh basil leaves. And then we're going to go ahead and pour in our sauce. And this dish is done. All you got to do is just let that simmer. Oh, yeah, I put my bok choy in last because it does not take long for that to cook. And I still like it to have a slight crunch. So I always put that in last. But yeah, go ahead and mix this all together. Put a lid on it. Let it steam out just a little bit. And it's done. All right, come on, God. Y'all see these good vegetables? Yes. And look, we got plenty of sauce to go over this rice. So, I be trying to be fancy with the plating sometimes, but this is giving. And like I said, the only thing that really was missing was the spicy element. So I'm going to just try and find another chili paste that is spicy and redo it. But if you don't care for a lot of heat, this is perfect. And if you're new to my channel, I do put all my recipes down in the description box of this video.
All right, so once again, it didn't quite hit the flavor components and palettes of what I would consider a really good Thai basil leaf dish, but it still was a really, really, really great Asian stir fry. I don't necessarily know which one it closely matches, but it tasted great. I will still work on the Thai basil leaf dish. It just didn't have enough spice to it. I'm not sure if my chili paste was like a mild version or something, but I need to find something that gives it that heat, that Thai heat. But nonetheless, it's still good. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching.